Hello everybody, it's me again, Briante, your left-handed Virgo. If I do it this way, I don't know which one is going to show because I'm not used to this camera stuff, not just yet. But yes, welcome back. I'm here again today to show you some more acrylic pouring. This time I want to experiment with silicone oil some more. I don't know if y'all see that. This is pretty much, what is it called? Color Pour brand. It's from Hobby Lobby. It's for like what? It was $9.99. I got this. I've actually used it before. So it's not like I necessarily don't know how to use it, but like I haven't really been able to like fully get sales due to the fact that I don't really have a torch or anything like that. So I mean, I'm just gonna try it again. I do have these three here. I want to make these into like matching little slots or whatever. I kind of have the idea of putting like Rick and Morty on top. So I kind of want something real trippy. And I just got this on the side just to like, just to experiment, just to see how it goes. But just to test. But hey, so I got I have these colors. They're kind of bright, but I kind of like them. But I feel like with sales and stuff, it might be kind of cool. So I mean, why not try it? Like I said, I am experimenting. This is pretty much what I pretty much do, so hey. And when it comes to like acrylic pouring, that's all you really, for me, I feel like all you can really do is experiment. Just to see, what techniques you like and all that good stuff. And eventually, I would love to get a torch. But that's, that's in due time. So let's just go ahead and try it out. So here is the final result. Sales came out actually great. I will definitely recommend this brand of silicone because it was honestly amazing. And I don't understand what I did the right way today, but let me tell you, they never come out like this. Like this one, like what? It is beautiful. I think I'm just getting better and better at this. And I also made 2 other ones. So maybe the Rick and Morty will probably go on these because I honestly love these and I kind of don't want to put anything on them. But yeah, I will definitely put everything that I use, everything that I pretty much use for this whole project. And because I get pretty much everything from Hobby Lobby, so I can just pretty much just, you know, put URL links or whatever you want to call them to everything that I have. And then, yeah, hopefully you can do the same thing as me. I will, no, I won't, because I will, I take that back. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope I inspired you guys to make some beautiful art like I did. Thank you.